sleigh bells, it's Christmas. Hear the sleigh bells, it's Christmas time. It's Christmas time.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Happy Christmas Eve. Today, I'm not having mushroom coffee. I'm actually on my way to Starbucks, praying that it's open. It is Christmas Eve, so I wouldn't blame them if they're not working. Good for them. But if they are, God bless, because I really woke up with the feeling of shaken espresso or an Americano. I think I'm leaning towards an Americano just because it's hot. I don't know if you can get a hot shaken espresso. I don't know if I would like that anyways. I'm trying to still fast. I've been doing pretty good on fasting, so I'm trying to just have like black coffee in the morning or iced tea, unsweetened. Today, I wanted to give you guys one quick tip on this video, and that is on the DJI Nano, which is what we're recording on right now. I'm trying to get used to looking at the camera because I'm looking at the monitor on top right now. We are monitoring the footage and we are using the microphone at the same time, and that's what I want to teach you guys. If you're a professional, you probably already know how to do this, so I'm sorry. This is kind of for, I guess, beginners and people that just didn't know how to do this, because when I started video, actually, this was one of the things I learned later on how to do, and that is syncing audio together. But right now, we are recording on the DJI Nano, and I'm using my DJI Mic 3. So this is going to work on the DJI Mic 3, DJI Mic 2. It's not going to work on the DJI Mic Minis. Basically, what you need is an internal recording lav mic, or magnet mic, or whatever you want to call these microphones. It has to be able to record internally. So basically what you're going to do is you're not going to sync this microphone to the camera. You're going to wear it, and then when you hit record on the camera, you're going to hit record on the microphone. But you're going to be using the microphone camera to record your audio as well, so that you can sync later in post, which I'll show you after I go get my coffee and we come back home. I hope it helps people out there, because I know there's quite a bit of people in my comments that have been asking about just getting the Nano camera and not getting an action camera, or if they could pick one or the other. And it seems like most of them want to lean towards the Nano just because it's so, like, you can take it off, you can wear it on your chest, you can vlog inside, you can do all kinds of cool things with it, and it's very versatile. The only downside to this is that for vlogging, the battery is not that good. This is supposed to be a POV cam. Right now, I have it plugged into a charger in my car while it's mounted, so you know, it doesn't run out of battery or whatever. Not that it's gonna run out of battery from here to Starbucks, which is like a 10-minute drive from me, but I didn't charge this thing, so now it's gonna have some battery on it. And we're actually gonna get off the car and go into Starbucks to get the coffee, just to be able to wear the Nano. So I really love vlogging with this camera. It's made public vlogging so much easier. All right, guys, here's another hack. We're gonna be wearing the DJI Nano inside Starbucks, and if you want to talk to the camera or talk in your vlog, make sure you get a pair of headphones or earbuds like this. I use my AirPods, throw them in, and then what you can do is just have your phone in your hand, and it looks like you're just talking to your phone. And because people see that you have the AirPods on, they're gonna think that you're on your phone or talking to somebody on a phone call, so nobody's gonna think that you're crazy. It helps me a lot. So just a little quick tip there for my public vloggers or anybody that wants to vlog in public and is still pretty shy. Get the Nano, get you a pair of AirPods or earbuds or whatever, headphones, throw them on, and people are gonna think that you're just on the phone when you're talking to yourself, in case you want to say some things in the vlog while you're going about in public or whatnot. But all right, let's go, guys. See, I just hold my phone out like this, and then people think I'm on a phone call. You could even wave it around as you're talking, and people won't know that you're talking to yourself or you're trying to vlog or whatever. So I think I'm gonna go for the Americano, guys.
Morning.
Hey, good morning. All right, let's see. What do we get? What do we get? Hey, can I just do a grande Americano and then just throw like a couple ice cubes in there? I want it hot.
Do you want it for here?
To go, please.
Yeah, for sure. All right. And then when it's ready, they'll call it right down on the left side over there, okay?
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Yep, thank you. We went with the Americano, so. Yeah. Thank you.
Hey.
All right, guys, we went with the Americano. I always get a couple of ice cubes in there because, dang, dude, I'm the kind of guy that likes to chug things right away, and it frustrates me that when I get coffee, it's super hot. But you know what? Nothing is hotter than McDonald's coffee, which, yes, I do love. I think McDonald's has amazing, like, grab and go coffee. If you're just talking about grab and go coffee, McDonald's, I think, is the best, and you can't beat the price. Literally, it's like $1.19 or something like that out here to get coffee. Large coffee too, and it's good. The cool thing about McDonald's is that it's so consistent every single time. We are monitoring the footage right now and recording on the DJI Mic 3. So this is one of the benefits of the DJI Mic 3 is that you can do internal recording. So for Nano users, this means that you can monitor your footage while using the DJI Mic 3. You could just not sync to it and then record internally, and I'm gonna show you as soon as we get home. All right, guys, we are back home, and we're gonna be teaching you right now how to easily sync your DJI Mic 3 audio track with your video, so that way you can monitor your footage on your DJI Nano and use the amazing quality from this 32-bit float file on your DJI Nano footage. So it's super easy. I do use DaVinci Resolve. We are going to be on DaVinci Resolve Studio 20. Now, I don't know if the free version has this feature. You can find that out for yourself, but any editing program that does video editing should have this feature. It's either called audio sync by waveform or audio sync or something like that. DaVinci Resolve calls it audio syncing, and then you can do time code or waveform. For now, let's just get right into DaVinci. So, all right, so we have DaVinci Resolve here open. We are on the media pool. If you look at the bottom of DaVinci, we have all the workspaces down here. We're gonna go all the way to the left side, which is the media section. And this is where you're going to grab all the footage and your audio files from your DJI Mic 3 and DJI Nano as well. So once you drag those into your computer, find them on the destination in here, and then you're gonna drag all of them into your media pool. The media pool is the container where you're gonna have all the footage that you're gonna be working with for your project. So once you drag it in there, you go to the edit tab, which is the third one down at the bottom there. And I already started editing this vlog, which obviously you've seen by now. But just want to quickly show you how easy this is and how you can monitor your footage finally and be able to use your DJI Mic 3. It's just a little workaround, guys. I know professionals probably already know how to do this, but this is kind of like, I guess you would call it a beginner video. I know I didn't even know this for like a few months after I was doing videos, and it was an awesome trick for me to learn. So once you drag your clip down here, as you can see, we have this driving clip right here, and this is the original audio from the camera, just internal microphone. I did not sync the DJI Mic 3 to the camera because I didn't want it to record from the camera. I wanted it to do internal recording. So I turned on the mic, I hit the little red button on the side, and I hit record at the same time when I hit record for this clip right here, and then I just started talking. Now we're gonna need that internal audio so that we can sync the files together. So now I'm gonna drag the file from the DJI Mic 3, which is up here, and I'm gonna drag it on the bottom. I'm gonna create a new track down here. And even though it's lined up together and we hit record at the same time, they're not gonna be in sync, they're gonna be off. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna highlight the top clip and the bottom clip, and then right click, and you're gonna see auto align clips. You're gonna click on that. And then usually this thing is on time code. You're not going to want to use time code because we're not using time code in this. That's another video if you guys ever want to learn about time code, but I don't think anybody in the vlogging community uses time code. So we're just going to click on here, go to waveform. So that way it uses the audio waveform to sync the video. And we're going to use track 1 because that's the video that we want to sync to. So we'll hit sync, and there you go. That's it. If you notice, the audio track here shifted. Now what you can do is use the razor up here. I have a shortcut for it, but you can use the razor, cut it, go back to the arrow, click on that, delete it, and then here's what you do. You grab the bottom audio track and then you switch it up to the front, and then I highlight the whole thing, right click and hit link clips. Now that audio file has taken the place of the old one, and it's connected to this video. So if you move this video around, see the audio file is connected to it, and you can play your video, and now you have your DJI Mic 3 high quality audio file that you can use with your DJI Nano. And not to mention, you're able to monitor the footage just like I'm doing right here in this video. This is exactly how I do it. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tip today in the vlog. Thank you for coming along. Happy Christmas Eve to everybody out there. I'm gonna go and help clean up around the house because I got my family coming over this afternoon, but I didn't want to leave you guys without a video today. Anyways, peace out. I hope you guys enjoy your family time.